Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show you how to calculate percentile on Excel. So to calculate percentile, first we need to have some data. So I'm going to type here data, serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can have here weight of the person. Suppose 58, 65, 62, 52, 59, 71, 51, 63, 74, 45. So we are having weight of 10 people. So to calculate the percentile, we need to click in any of the box here, any of the cell in Excel. Suppose if you want to calculate percentile 10. Then to calculate percentile 10, first we have to put equal to in this cell and type PER CE and TILE. So here we can see the percentile here. Third one, we can double click on this particular tab. Here it is showing, first we need to put array. It is the meaning of this one, the range of the data. So to putting range of the data, we can select all the data and comma. So if we want to calculate percentile 10, we have to type here 0.10 and close the bracket. Percentile 10 means 0.10. Then enter. So the percentile 10 is 50.4. The same way, if you want to calculate percentile 50, so we can put equal to, type percentile, double click here, select the range of data, comma 0.50, then bracket close, enter. The percentile 50 is 60.5. Likewise, if you want to calculate percentile 75, you can put equal to percentile, double click here, select the data, comma 0.75, bracket close, enter. So percentile 75th percentile is 64.5. So this is the way we can calculate percentile on Excel. Thank you.